I was trying to blow a bubble for you. I didn't get it done in time. Oh gosh, I miss you guys. All right, let's go through our lesson number 2. So our essential question is, how do things get built? So here are our oral vocabulary words. Project, something you work on, such as writing a report or drawing a picture. When we finish our art projects, we will display them so everyone can see them. The next word is structure, something that has been built, such as a house or a bridge. Jasper likes to build different kinds of structures with his blocks. I know you like to build, you boys and girls love to build things with your Legos. That would be a structure as well. Contented, a lot of people say content. You are pleased or happy. Josh felt contented after he won the prize. Intend, something you are planning to do. You are planning to do something. I intend to play basketball after school today. The next word is marvelous. Marvelous. It was wonderful or excellent. The fruit salad tastes marvelous. Okay, here are a few questions for you. Do you feel contented after eating a delicious meal? Why? What do you intend to do next Saturday? What do you intend to do? I hope to go on a hike. Have you seen any marvelous movies? What made them marvelous? What have you seen? We watched, at home, obviously, we watched Indiana Jones and the Temple of Doom, an older, very kind of an old 80s movie, but it's great. Lots of action is right. I liked it. It had a lot of action. What projects have you worked on at home? What have you worked on? I'm sure you worked on a lot of things since we've been out of school. I told you in the previous video that I have been working on diamond painting. That is something I found that I enjoy, and that's a project that I'm working on. And also, my family and I were building a fire pit in the backyard. So that's a project that we're working on. And one other question for you. Which of these is a structure, a house, or a flower? Which is something that you could build? Okay, the next thing that we're working on is our phonics. I'm going to move, hopefully, myself out of the way. Okay, now we're working on phonics. This week we have our digraphs O-I and O-Y, and both sound the very same, oi. So O-Y as in boy, and O-I as in coin, and there's a picture of a Canadian cent. Okay, get ready to blend the words. Join, join. Voice, voice. There's that soft C, voice. Boy, boy. Oil, boil. Oil, foil. Oink, oink. Joy, joy. Toy, toy. Oil, oil. Soy, soy. Oil, spoil. Burr, oil, broil. Moist, moist. Enjoy, enjoy. Oil, oil. Here is a word from last week. Cowboy, cowboy. So cow, boy, cowboy. A compound word. Cow, boy, cowboy. There we go. Okay, now we're going to build the words and make some changes to the words. So we have oil, foil. Please change the to s. What word do you have? Oil, soil. Now change the s to sp. What word do you have? Sp, oil, spoil. Now take away the sp. Take it away. Sp. Now you have oil, oil. Now we're going to bring back the beginning sound b, which we have b. What word do you have? Boil. Great job. Now we're starting completely over with a new word. The word we have is boy, boy. Please change b to t. What word do you have? Toy. Now change t to What word do you have? Roy, roy. Now change to j. J-oy, joy. Now we're going to add a prefix, so we have n, joy, enjoy. Okay, let's do some structural analysis. Final, stable syllables. So when you have so you have multisyllabic words with more than one syllable, then the LE it goes with the consonant, when there's a consonant before the LE, then they make the sound O. So let's go through that. So we have, let's clap it out, ready? Table, table. Simple, simple. So do you see how the LE joins the final syllable? So now let's blend the words. Blend the syllables to read the words. Here we go. So we have candle, candle. Apple, apple. Title, title. Puddle, puddle. Do you see how the LE is joining with that final syllable? Marble, marble. Okay, let's go through our spelling words. Let me move myself. We have spoil, spoil. Looks like the worm went through the apple and it is now spoiled. The apple is spoiled. And then we have the ED ending. The next word, coin, coin. This is a new coin. Join, join. Tim wants to join the baseball team. Joy, joy. Pretending to be a cowboy brought so much joy. The baby had a toy clown. Toy. Boy, the boy learned to tie his shoe. Boy. Town. There are many buildings in the town. That's a review word with the ow. There's another ow word spelled differently. Ow. The mouse came in our house. Mouse. Build. With the ing in the sentence, Dad is building us a new house. Fall. The fall made Pete cry. Oh, poor Pete. Okay. Let's go on to our spelling word sort. This week is a little tricky because the OI and OY both have the sound together, oi. So we have spoil, boy, coin, joy, toy, and join. So OI, which begins at which one? Spoil. Does it belong in the OI digraph or the OY digraph? Spoil in the OI. How about boy? OY. How about coin? OI. How about joy? OY. How about toy? OY. How about join? OI. Great job. Okay, let's go through our high frequency words. We're going to say them with our rhythm that we do in class the 5 times, okay? Our first word is above, 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 above. Build, 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 build. Fall, 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 fall. New, 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 new. Money, 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 money. Toward, 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 toward. Color, 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 color. Early, 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 early. Instead, 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 instead. Nothing, 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 nothing. Oh, 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 oh. Thought, 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 thought. Okay, now here are our vocabulary words from the story. Balance. It can stay in place without falling. I can balance a coin on my fingertip. Now I'm going to have to try it. Here's a penny. See if I can, I wonder if they mean balance like this. Okay, obviously can't. I can do it like that. Balance a coin on my fingertip. Okay, the next word is section, a part of something bigger. The book bag has a section for pens and pencils. Okay, let's go through last week's words. Scrambled. You've probably heard this word in scrambled eggs, but it also could mean climbed or walked quickly. The people scrambled to get in line. Suddenly. It happens quickly without notice. The sky suddenly got dark. So now we'll complete each sentence with a vocabulary word. So at the top we have suddenly, balance, scrambled, and section. Can you blink if you stand on one leg? Suddenly, balance, scrambled, or section? What would you choose? Can you balance if you stand on one leg? Oh gosh. The sun was shining, but blank, it started to rain. Suddenly, scrambled, or section? You'd say suddenly. Suddenly it started to rain. When the rain started, we blanked to get inside. Remember? Scrambled, quickly climbed, ran quickly, walked quickly. We planted flowers in one blank of the yard. The word we have left is section. Does that make sense? A part of something? Okay, let's go through our grammar. Prepositions we're working on this week. Prepositions and prepositional phrases. So a preposition connects a noun or a pronoun to another part of a sentence. So remember, a noun is a person, place, animal, or thing, and a pronoun is just a word that replaces those words. So instead of saying Trevor, you would say he. So the pronoun he, or they, or she, or them. Okay, and then a prepositional phrase begins with a preposition and ends with a noun or a pronoun. So I'll show you what I mean. Oh, I'm in the way. The light is above the porch. So above is the preposition that connects with the light is and the porch. So we're going to complete each sentence with one of the following prepositions. Snow is blank the ground. Would you say for, in, on, or toward? You would say on the ground. I put your mittens blank your coat pocket. Would you say for, in, on, or toward? You would say in your coat pocket. That's the preposition. There is a prize blank building the best snowman. Would you say for, in, on, or toward? You would say for building the best snowman. I will build my snowman facing blank the sun. I don't know why you would build your snowman facing toward the sun, because then it's going to melt. Okay, we're going to talk for a quick second about abbreviations. An abbreviation is a name, title people use. So, Mr. stands for Mr. So that's how you spell the entire word, but this is what you see when you see a name, like Mr. Hall, Mr. Pratt. Mrs. stands for Mrs. So this is what you see in front of my name, or Mrs. Tigner's name, or Mrs. Angelie's name. MS dot stands for Miss, and DR stands for Doctor. So that's an abbreviation. An abbreviation begins with a capital letter and it ends with a period. So let's fix the sentences really quick. We don't have a lot of time. She put on a show with her funny puppet, Dr. Short. So here is what they did wrong. They forgot to put a capital on the abbreviation for doctor. Everything else looks good in that sentence. Okay, let's look at the next one. Mrs. Dowd had a surprise for our class. And the only thing that the student forgot was the period behind Mrs. Okay, I hope this was a great lesson for you. Study hard. Make sure you're reading every day. Bye. Bye. Have a great day.